Welcome, one and all, to the Magic Kingdom. In just a few minutes, we will proudly present an enchanting celebration in the streets, our Disney Festival of Fantasy Parade. And now, please welcome our honorary Grand Marshal, celebrating a friendship reunion, Allison and Mary.
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join Louis up ahead and find some musicians for our party. We're going to the bayou.
Uh-oh, he does the first round. Ashley, ready for the first drop? Alright.
It's a little jump, not the big one.
Not the biggest one.
This guy hit? That's the little one. Teeny drop. Yeah.
Esme, look at your wristband.
I got my wristband for you. Louis spoke down for us. Yeah?
I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight.
These
apart. But we've got to keep searching high and low.
They're gonna go the second drop.
I hope they're all
That was a pretty powerful one.
Where did our friends go?
That was kind of a big one right there.
We have to
Huh?
That
find
was kind of a big one right there.
Yeah, it's not big.
I got her and showed that one. What is
Not
it?
a drop. The third drop is here. It's an art drop.
Alright, the big drop's coming.
The big drop's right there.
Y'all got itty bitty little buddies.
But you found the sound. That was great.
Big drop.
It's gonna be the big drop.
Oh man, here comes the big drop. Now it's time.
You said it's time I get you out of the side. But invite your little friends to tag along too.
Lucky we didn't get that much back here.
No, no, Grace was still a tiny drop.
We still have more drops in this.
That's it, no?
That's alright. So got one more tiny drop and that's it.
You almost did it? Whoa! That's splash.
I'm doing the whole thing.
You got the drop?
This isn't the end part.
The end.
There's still more.
The end. Yeah.
Oh, they
Oh.
still have the rest of the animatronics to show too.
Oh yeah, this is not the end. That's true.
Oh, we didn't get so absolutely.